Hello. Okay. Hello, sound. So, ayun. So, I'm, again, tinatamad mag live. And I don't know what to do with this energy. I'm coffee driven right now. So, yeah, let's get into this. So, hello, welcome to Integrative Programming 2. So, this is selective 4 of your curriculum. So, basically, we're just continuing Integrative Programming 1, which is, I am really sorry about it. Honestly speaking, I didn't give you that much of an attention to the subject, but for now I promise that I will do my best to love God and my country. Charis. Okay, so I will do my best to discuss the technology of JavaScript with you. So last semester we have actually discussed JavaScript native JavaScript programming. So we're just using JavaScript to get around with the browser, what to do with it, like action scripts and some pop-ups and other functions as well. We have got to the point also of going with the forms, get and set whatever those things are. So today I'm going to be introducing a new technology with you, which is what we call Node.js. So this is a very widely used technology, platform, or what a framework for JavaScript in order to integrate JavaScript into server programming or server scripting, which includes web servers and file management. Uh, Today, so we're going to, I actually asked you to install Node together with Visual Studio already. So let's get right to it. So assuming that you have already installed your Node.js, so we have the versions right here. Sorry, my screen is on the other side, so I will be doing this a lot. Okay, so I have here the latest version or any of this to the LTS or the current same. So I'm just going to download it and going to run it. So just click the basic how to install stuff. So if you're done with it, I just simply wait. I'm going to move this. I know this will hurt. Ow, ayan. Okay, so basically you're just going, ang hirap pala, pero sige, just going to run Windows R and then command prompt in order to check if the node is already installed or check the version of this node that you have already installed. Just type node, then dash what's that, dash v. Okay, so this is a bash command. So my version of Node is version 16.3.2. So this is the LTS version. So this is recommended for all users and that. So you already also have your Visual Studio Code, but we're not going to have it today. But we're just going to be having a bit of an introduction of what Node.js is. But that will be discussed next meeting. Yes. Yes. Okay, so wait, what happened? Ay, Charis. What's this? Okay. Yun naman nakikita na. Hindi. Okay, so game. Where am I? Okay, so what is Node.js? So as you can have it in their website, their definition is actually just one sentence. So Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome V8's JavaScript uh, engine. Okay, what this? So I have notes, sorry. So basically, Node is JavaScript, but it is being used in this outside of the browser because JavaScript native you can only just use it in the browser. So as you can siguro if we move further during our JavaScript discussion, you will be actually needing some connection, connective what do you call this? connection applications are different from JavaScript in order to connect things with the database or just fetching things from the files. So with Node.js, actually, you will not have that problem because this is a way of communication of JavaScript in order to access web servers or to create web servers, access file systems, and create databases as well. So because JavaScript is limited only on the browser, JavaScript cannot be used outside uh, to create web servers, access file systems, and to connect the database, while other programming languages can actually do it. So with Node.js, the JavaScript developers uh, now use JS on the server side. So this will create web servers, yada yada, application, command line interface, application backend, and more. So Node is a way to run JS code, JavaScript code on the server as opposed to being fully forced to run on the side of the browser. So why am I discussing this? We will be learning it later. So Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built, as you can see here in this description. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome V8 JavaScript engine. So V8, this is the uh, engine on where the Chrome is running. So this is essential for Chrome. Ito yung gamit para mag-run yung Chrome. So ito rin yung ginagamit ni Node para mag-run. Okay, so you have been dealing with a lot of programming languages lately or before pa, so you know what it means when we say runtime. Okay, so dun siya nagpa-process. Okay, so V8 runs on Chrome, and V8 is also a Google open source project. So and V8 is written in C++, as well as Node is written on C++. More on that later. So everyone can write a C++ application and incorporate this to the V8 JavaScript engine into their application. So when someone is like creating a C++ app and they want to integrate incorporate the V8 JavaScript engine, it's okay. You can just do it easily. It can be adapted easily. So and also both Chrome and Node is written on C++, as I said a while ago. Node.js is also a JS runtime and not a programming language. So Node is actually, ulitin ko lang, Node is a runtime environment and it is not a programming language. Why? Did I say that? The programming language is JavaScript. We're just using Node in order to run things. So, it sounds confusing, but we will still be using JavaScript syntaxes or and all those stuff. But we're actually implementing it on Node in order to access the other features of JavaScript that are not, of JavaScript, sorry, of Node. We're running it on Node to access the other functionalities and other classes and features of Node that are not available in the native JavaScript. Okay, gets. I think I made myself clear. So I think gets, yeah. Okay, so everything that we write in Node is still JS. So clearly we're still dealing with JavaScript. We're just running it on a different platform, not in some the ways that we've done before. Okay, so the runtime is something that provides custom functionalities, as I said ago. So both Chrome and Node are just creating their own modified version of JS. So as you can see here, here's our browser, and for this I will be demonstrating the difference between just using the Chrome in creating your JavaScript things and when we are using Node. So we can go here to settings and more tools, and then we can have developer tools. So this will be shown. But I want it down. How to bring this down? Hey, Happy, can you bring this down? Okay, diwag. Okay, so you have console right here. Okay, so can I move it here? Nah, sige, full na lang. Okay, so in this console, we can actually include like some JavaScript code. So let's just have like 2 plus 3. So as you can see, you have the answer for 5 there. Can we zoom this? Okay. Na-zoom na. Sabi ko nga. Okay, then let's just have like my name. Let's have like Rosel. And then let's invoke some methods. Okay, to uppercase. And then don't have a parameter. So just enter. So as you can see here, you have Rosel, then to uppercase. Then we go to our node. Okay, so how to open Node? You just go here to your CMD, and then we just have our bash command for Windows. We have CLS for Mac and other users. I think it's clear. I'm not really sure. So you have CLS, so it's purely blank na again. So you have the C/user/Lenovo. So it's still in the bash mode. So you just enter Node, and then it will go like, welcome to Node.js, yada yada. So here you can see that ayun, so we're ready for Node na. So let's just try what we did in the other side of the browser. Here in the browser, just have 2 plus 3, and then it will show 5. So as you can see, it is still integrating JavaScript codings. Yeah. So let's have my name like Rosel. Then let's have 2 lowercase para maiba. Case, case, and then we don't have a parameter. So I enter it's in lowercase. Like, what did I do that it's already in lowercase? So let's try it. Let to uppercase. So Rosel dot to uppercase. Okay. So yeah, na-integrate pa rin niya yung mga bagay-bagay. So it is yeah, those still integrates like the basic JavaScript commands. Okay, so all the JavaScript core functions are still available in the Node.js. Ayan, mga kapatid. Ayan, so here in Node kasi, it provides the REPL, which means like read, evaluate, print, and loop. Okay, so this is like your IDE, old school IDE moment. So you're using a command prompt in order to program. But of course, for the sake of this demonstration, and you know that Node is running on JS, well, we're doing it here, but actually we will be needing the Visual Studio Code as we move along the discussions. Okay, so sidebar, there's this chismis that on February 15, we may be seeing each other face to face, which I'm really excited about. So hopefully you're also excited with it. But still no concrete plans. I know it's concrete like Feb 15, like let's go. But there will still be some. Oh my goodness. Yeah, ay hindi ko alam kung pwede ko sabihin. Pero meron pa daw mga, there will still be like what do you call this? Surveys, yeah, surveys, like they will be asking you guys if you want to, and then there will be a parent consultation if the parents would like to for you to come here. And of course you need to be fully vaccinated. Booster is also advised, ganyan ganyan, keme keme. But yeah, I think February 15 yung target, so we have 13 days more for you to decide on if you want to see me or everyone else or not. Anyway, as I was saying, oh my god. Okay, so as I said, so there are things that are available in Chrome that are not available in Node, and at the same time, there are things that are available in Node but are not available in Chrome. So for the first is we have the window function. Window. Okay, so window is available for Chrome because basically you have this window to play with. Okay, so if you're going to press enter on this one, it will show all the methods that are involved with Windows. So you have your window alert, and then you have your window move, yeah, on point, on close, on click, there's stuff like that, and key press, on message, yada yada, on scroll, and there are hundreds. Like you can just, there are also animation if you want to binge watch this thing. So there are like hundreds of those here in. But when you go to the node, you type window, Actually, it's not existing because there is no window that you're going to play with. So, yeah, there's that. And then, of course, for Node, you have what they call global. Global. Okay, so with global, you also have your different things to play with. Okay, so you can have a clear interval, blah, 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 and we'll be using this uh, later on, but for now we will not. So let's try it with the Chrome global. So, global lang be. Ayaw mo? Di wag. So, uncut reference, wala din siya. And then we also have for the node, we also have the process. Okay. So for process, we have lots. Yes, let's go. Ayan. You have all the processes that will be used here in the, hey, asan siya nag-start? Ayan. Okay, global yan. So for process, you have this one. And lots of things that you can also use for process. So, yeah. So, and more. Okay, then for this one, for browser, you also don't have the process. Eh, okay, so uncaught reference din siya. Okay, so let's try to exit this one by having like process that exit, then don't have the parameter. And as you can see, it goes back to the bash where as you can see it's just a basic CMD again. So your Node.js is already dead. Sorry. You just exit your node. So with this, of course, you just close this one. Duh. Okay, so with that, what I was saying is Node is JavaScript for the server. As easy as clean as that. Yun na yung basic. That's the most basic definition of Node. So we'll be messing up with Node and we'll be discussing Node throughout the semester, and hopefully at the end of the semester we can actually create a web application that can be suitable for you for your growth as well. And yeah, so that's it for this discussion. Next time we will be discussing why we should study Node.js, and of course, we're going to do your first Node.js program. Ciao!